Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this fast and easy crochet hat. If you can crochet a rectangle, you can make this beanie. We're going to be using super bulky yarn for this project. I'm using Lion Brand Hometown in the color Salem Creek. And you're going to need 2 skeins to make this hat. You'll also need a 10mm or size N15 crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. We'll start by making a crochet chain of 27 stitches. This will be the length of your hat from top to bottom. And remember, this hat has a fold-up brim, so that's why it's so long. Once you've made a chain of 27, from the second chain on the hook, make a double crochet. You're going to make a double crochet in every chain until you reach the end. At the end, you'll chain 2 and turn your work. Continue making rows of double crochets until you have 25 rows. And you'll have a rectangle. And it should roughly measure a little over 19 inches wide and about 11.5 inches tall. Fold your rectangle in half and slip stitch up the side, then fasten off. Now you should have what looks like a tube. Next, using a yarn needle and yarn, weave in and out of the top of the stitches and pull it closed tightly. Then you'll tie it off, making sure it's very secure with a knot. Now let's make the pom-pom. Okay, so I don't have one of those fancy schmancy pom-pom makers, so I just made my pom-pom with whatever I had on hand. I found this old package that had cardboard that was about as wide as I wanted the pom-pom to be. So I wrapped the yarn around the cardboard until it looked like it would make a nice fluffy pom-pom. I removed the yarn off the cardboard, then I used another piece of yarn to tie a knot down the center. Don't do what I did. I cut my ends too short. Make sure you leave them long enough that you can secure the pom-pom to the top of the hat. I actually had to go in and tie another piece of yarn on top of that to secure the pom-pom to the hat. Next, I used scissors to cut through the loops on each side of the pom-pom. Then I shaped it to make it nice and round. Now just attach the pom-pom to the top of the hat by using a yarn needle and tying the ends on top. And that's it! I really love how this hat turned out. It was fast and easy, but it also looks like it came out of an expensive boutique. If you want the free written pattern for this crochet project and more, please visit my website, tiffanybliss.com. Alright everyone, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.